Unlock speed as the bold, simple, minimalistic, yet the most powerful OnePlus 6T is here. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to stay updated with all the cool video updates for you here on this channel. Let's begin with the quick roundup of this device. To start with, the OnePlus packs inside a dual SIM module, 6.4-inch display, 20 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, larger 3700 mAh battery, 6 or 8 GB RAM, 128 or 256 GB ROM, and some of the special features of this device include in-screen fingerprint scanner, nightscape, immersive displays, strong cornering Gorilla Glass 6, and the second device after Google Pixel 3 to get the Android Pie. While the design is astounding, it now features a water drop notch, has the microphone on the top, and a dual firing speaker at the bottom with the Type-C port, but no 3.5mm jack for the audio. An impressive design with in-screen fingerprint scanner and now even thinner bezels. The showstopper prices at its best, which is cheaper than the prices in the US. In India, the price for 6GB RAM and 128GB variant starts with 37,999 and the top variant is at 45,999, which is priced at $549 and $649 respectively in the US. That's all for now. I'll come up with a detailed review of this device soon, so stay tuned and keep partifying your lives. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.